All right, I get my 2002 Yamaha SX Viper snowmobile, power valve, blah blah blah. It's probably 5,000 miles in this thing, only 5,500 maybe. Um, well, not maybe 5,500 ish miles. But on this number 3 cylinder, closest to the drive transmission, or the CVT, or whatever they use here. This clutch side, under the number 3 exhaust. They get 1 exhaust, 2 exhaust port, 3 exhaust port. Under the exhaust port, I am getting right below the exhaust port from the head, or from the block itself, there's a gas leak running down from the back. Here, when I push my hand here, it's getting wet. Right now, push my hand here, is not the head I'm touching, but more of the block. But I don't know if it's dripping from the head coming down to the block of more wetness. Clear gas, not mixed gas. Clear gas. Why would it dump clear gas and not mixed gas? They while running, it does that only. So right now I run out of gas again. I keep topping up half gallon or so in there, and dripping it out. It would start up. Run. Sounds like it's gonna starve of gas. Okay, wetness, gas. So it's between the head and the block. I'm not sure if it's a